Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this sensational Seat Ibiza FR Technology Sport Coupe. Now this vehicle is currently done 45,113 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour apple green, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you do have very stylish headlights and also have fog lamps there below, which will give you great visibility when it's poor and all foggy. Now here at the side you have your 17-inch alloy wheels, and you do have your indicator there on the side along with your contrasting grey door mirror. It really makes the colour of the vehicle pop and it complements the alloy wheels. Now taking a look here at the rear, you do have very nice cloth seats with a nice pattern in the centre. The right ice fix points, you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have 3 rear seats available to you, and your front seats fold back into place nicely. Now to the rear, you have your dual exhaust there, and you have your Ibiza FR badge in there on the tailgate. To open up the boot, you simply push the Seat badge in. It pops open to reveal a very nice amount of space. You do have a tyre repair kit there. You can easily fit a weekly shop in there nicely. You do have a handle up top allowing you to easily close the tailgate. You have very nice privacy glass which makes the colour pop as well and gives you nice privacy to the rear. Here inside you have your leather multifunction steering wheel with the FR badge in there at the bottom. You do have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Seat has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can keep the mirrors nice and protected. It's very handy when parking, for example, on narrow roads, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. And now below here, you do have your electric window switches. You do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stalk there. And here on the steering wheel, you do have some controls. You can make adjustments to your digital display here in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can see your trip information such as your miles to the gallon, average speed. You also have a digital speedometer as well. You can access other menus such as here a compass, and you can input previous destinations you've been to, which will work with the navigation. Here on the opposite side, you have some controls for making adjustments to your volume and skipping on the infotainment system. Here on the indicator start, you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. Now here in the centre, you have your touchscreen infotainment system. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio. With DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clear. It's very easy to tune in your favourite stations. You have a list available to you that you can scroll through and then save them as presets, so you don't have to scroll through the whole list of stations every single time. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your USB and auxiliary input. There's also SD input as well as a CD player. You also have your Bluetooth as well, and of course with Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. You do have voice control, where you can ask the vehicle things like enter an address or to call a person in your contacts. It's very handy if you don't want to mess around using the touchscreen while driving. You can simply speak it and the vehicle will do it for you. You have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. The guidance is very easy to follow and you can change the view very easily. You can change the brightness along with having a 2D and a 3D effect. You can also put places of interest in there. You do have the speed limit of the road as well, which is very handy if you're conscious about speeding. You can be sure you go in the right speed limit. You have traffic reports here as well, which will keep you wary of any reports of traffic on any roads in the surrounding area. If you're heading in that direction, it's very handy. You have some vehicle settings here as well. You can see things like driving data, such as your miles to the gallon. And here you have your menu where you can also access your full link. This provides you with Android Auto, Apple Carplay and Mirror Link, which brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps such as music streaming services, so you can access all of your favourite playlists while on the go. You do have your air conditioning here, so you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool. It's very straightforward to use with each switch clearly labelled. It has a nice clear layout, which isn't confusing. Have your button there for the air conditioning, and you can also recircle the air as well, which is very handy if in traffic. You do have a heated rear windscreen, so you can keep the vehicle nice and demisted. You have your button there for turning on or off your start-stop system. Thanks for watching this video on the Seat Ibiza FR Technology Sport Coupe. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.